Hey besties, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 websites where you can make money from the comfort of your home. Just so you know, I have reviewed dozens of the most popular websites, money-making websites, to determine my list, and I've listed them accordingly, and I'll be saving the best for the last. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Now, the first app on my list is Ezoic. Yes, so Ezoic is a secret website to make money because it's a less popular platform for the monetization of content and websites with ads as compared with Google AdSense and other ad networks. Just so you know, monetizing a website or blog with Ezoic is one of the many easy ways to make money on a website without selling anything. Guys, EPMV is the metric that Ezoic uses in calculating publishers' earning. It's like your RPM, your revenue per mile. Your RPM on YouTube, that's your revenue per mile. So EPMV means earning per mile, 1,000 views. Yes, so guys, this platform pays by the number of ads seen by site visitors, and your potential earnings will be determined by the number of page views, website niche, and geographical location of the site visitors. Yes, and the next site on my list here is swap.com. I know you've not heard of it before. I know. Thank me later. So guys, swap.com is an online consignment store. Now, consignment stores are places where you sell pre-owned items. It can be your second-hand clothes that are still in good condition, the toys that your kids used to play with, or the old furniture that you have replaced with new ones. Now, here is an example of how the swap.com website works. For example, if you place a product that is valued at $8 on the website, you will get an instant 15% cashback and 20% store credit. But if the product is above $8, you will get 70%, that is after the $4.95 for the processing fee after that has been deducted, and 20% store credits. Guys, don't sleep on this website, so a lot of people are not aware of them. If you are new to this channel, oh my goodness, I forgot to introduce myself. I was just so excited to share these websites with you guys. If you're new here, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you, and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. So while you're introducing yourselves, my first timers here on this channel, let me also go ahead and introduce myself. So my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Make it a day to join me right here on this channel. You know, when we are spilling the tea right here, I don't want to miss it for anything. So without further ado, let's just get right to the next website where you can make good money. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, the next website on my list here is Neighborcom. Guys, Neighborcom is like an Airbnb for storage. If you have storage space or an empty garage that you're not making use of at the moment, guess what? You can go to Neighborcom and advertise this space so that people can pay you for your vacant spaces. Guys, Neighborcom will pay you for the empty spaces by direct deposit and give you a debit card where you transfer your earnings every month. There are some small fees that are charged by Neighborcom website for helping you to earn from your website spaces. Now, this platform is one of the many secret websites to earn money passively. The next website on my list here is Patreon.com. Guys, Patreon is a crowdfunding platform. If you have an audience that you wish to monetize, you can use Patreon to monetize it easily. Your audience does not need to be from social media, nor do you need a social media influencer to make money from this secret site. You can be a teacher and your students are your audience. What you need to do is create a page on Patreon.com, and those who have an interest in what you do on this platform can pay you a monthly subscription to get access to your content. The next website on my list here is TaskRabbit. Guys, TaskRabbit is a secret website to earn money that doesn't require intelligence or even skills on your part. It simply requires brawn and a desire to work. People actually go to TaskRabbit.com and enter a task that they would like to be completed. If you're chosen to do this task and you can complete it, guess what? You'll be paid the specified amount for the task. You can actually sign up for TaskRabbit, and based on your expertise, you can get tasks that pay you handsomely. There are actually 2 ways to make money on TaskRabbit. You can browse the website and apply for available jobs, or you can create a profile and the website's algorithm will just match you with a job that matches your profile and send you a notification. Guys, make sure that you don't sleep on it. Now, here is the bonus tip. Oh, I didn't remember to mention it in the beginning of today's video. Now, here is the bonus tip. If you have a skill that you want to monetize, you can even start from your neighborhood. Yes. And here is what to do. Go to a new website I'm going to be introducing you guys to. It is called nextdoor.com. Yes, Nextdoor this is not a paid ad, by the way. Nextdoor.com is an app that connects you with neighbors, your neighbors within your your county. And this way you're able to advertise your services or even your products. Now, when you go on neighborhood, please do not sign on with a personal account. Like, do not sign up as an individual. Make sure that you sign up as a business. Yes. When you sign up as a business, that way you're able to send multiple posts without getting banned. So it's like Facebook, but Facebook that restricts you if you're an individual as opposed to if you're a business. So as a business owner, you're allowed to post multiple times, and guess what? You can get lots and lots of traction even without paying for ads. Now, last week I created a post on Nextdoor and it got over 9,000 views. If it keeps going that way, you can hit 1 million. You can hit, if you're able to reach everyone in your local area for free without paying, what can be better than that? So when you go on Nextdoor, let me teach you how to master the game on Nextdoor. When you post on Nextdoor, first thing you need to do is that you have to say hi, send a greeting to your neighbors. Just say hi everyone, and then go ahead and leave a motivational quote, and then you introduce yourself. Please note, you don't have to, but I'm giving you from experience and it has worked for me. It's still working for me. So introduce yourself every single time that you post. Nobody really knows you. Nobody cares about you. Nobody's following you to know that this is you. So introduce yourself every time you post, but make sure that those two things, which are greeting your neighbors, saying hi to them, you can give them a qualifying adjective. Hi, beautiful neighbors, or hi, gorgeous neighbors. Yes. So say hi to your neighbors and then give them a beautiful quote, and then go ahead and introduce yourself and what you do and the services that you're offering. My name is this. I offer X and Y services. You can reach me via email, and please, the email address you want to put there shouldn't be your major email, right? You can open a new email address for this purpose alone. So go ahead and send out the post on nextdoor.com and then ask them to send you a DM. Yes, when they do that, you're able to not negotiate, but of course you're able to get your clients and seal the deal accordingly. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually get clients right within your neighborhood, and you can also utilize all the other apps that I've shared with you guys in today's video. And I hope this video has been a blessing to you. Please do not forget to like this video, share this video with your friends. Tell a friend about these amazing opportunities. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. In case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go do exploits, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.